Program to calculate the area of circle. As we know, area of circle is pi r square, 3.14 r square, and here input is r and output is area. In Python we use input function to read the data from keyboard. The input function always reads the data in the form of string. So the string to be converted into either int or float. Here it is converted into float. R is the variable, input variable for radius, and area is the output variable. And area is 3.14 r square. And we used print function to display the data. So we have various notations in Python. As we know, all the functions, all the inbuilt functions are divided into various categories based on their mode of operation under the name modules in Python. We use header files in C and C++, and here we use the term module. So we have math module. In this we have pi, math.pi. Look at the notation, import math. Instead of 3.14 we used the notation math.pi. So you want the output in formula format, even this is allowed. Look at that, import math. Either you can use r is equal to 7 or you can read the data. Look at the print, pi r square is equal to area dot 2f. Dot 2f indicates after decimal point 2 digits are allowed. Look at this notation. So you are using an F string. Look at the pi r square. There are various methods you can write the program. So look at the notation, pi r square is equal to area dot 2f. So if your input is 7, look at the output, area is equal to pi multiplied by 7 square is equal to 153.94. And this is another notation. Look at area is equal to pi r square. Round we used the round function, area comma 2. So look at the input and output here.